Imagine waking up to an email that says you have been fired. No warning, no notice, nothing. That's not just unfair. In many cases, it's illegal. Whether you're hiring someone, buying something, or signing a work agreement, contracts are supposed to protect you. They are the I agree behind everything from ordering clothes to getting a job. But what happens when someone breaks their promise? It's called a breach of contract, and it happens more often than you think. This video is brought to you by Africa Tech Radio in collaboration with the JURIST newspaper to help you understand your legal rights and protection when someone fails to honor an agreement. What is a contract? A contract is a legally binding agreement between two or more parties. And in Nigeria, contracts are protected under common laws, case laws, and supported by constitutional rights. A valid contract, whether written, spoken, or implied, must have offer and acceptance, consideration, which means something of value is exchanged, legal capacities, both parties must be capable, and lawful purpose. The 1999 Constitution of Nigeria, as amended, guarantees that the right to enforce civil obligation through the court under Section 6, subsection 6, paragraph B. It empowers Nigerian courts to resolve disputes involving private legal rights, like contracts, and to award remedies for breaches. It also protects your freedom to contract, which means individuals or businesses can freely enter into agreements as long as they are lawful. What happens when a contract is breached? A breach happens when one party fails to fulfill their own side of the agreement. Say you pay for a generator and it never arrives. Your landlord promises to repair something in the house but ignores you. You are fired abruptly without following the terms in your employment contract. Or you even pay a decorator who disappears just before your event. In the case of Floyd Mayweather versus Zini Media paid Mayweather to attend events in Nigeria. He didn't show up or refund the money. A court in the US ordered him to pay $2.4 million. Davido versus the Worry Again concert. Alleged no-show after collecting fees. The case ended up in a legal dispute. In Nkechi Ogbonna versus Mikano, it was a case of wrongful termination from her job. She sued the company for 50 million naira, citing breach of contract and labor rights. There are several types of breaches. One is anticipatory breach. This happens when a party says in advance that they cannot meet their obligation. There's also a fundamental breach, when the core part of the contract is not done. And then there's a minor breach, when small parts of the contract are broken, but the main deal is done. What can you do? If your contract is breached, the Nigerian law gives you the right to seek redress through the courts. Legal remedies include damages, you are awarded compensation for your loss. Specific performance, the court orders the defaulting party to fulfill the contract. Rescission, the contract is cancelled legally. Injunctions, the court stops someone from doing something that causes harm. So from the office to online shopping, your life runs on contracts. When one side is broken, you are not powerless and the law is on your side. Section 6 of the Constitution guarantees your right to go to court and seek justice when your rights, including those in contracts, are violated. Knowing this can save you money, time, and stress. Like, share, and subscribe. And for more legal explainers that help you know your rights, visit thejuristng.com.